right, with the side panels off the bike and the fuel tank out of the way. Doesn't need to be removed. Certainly easier if you do, but right now ours is just up on some blocks of wood. It's obviously easier if there's less fuel in it, so be mindful of that. You're gonna go after these connectors here. All right, these are the main two connecting to the key switch. You'll see that there's the green on the harness there. One word of advice before you do anything. These connectors are not waterproof or dust tight. Ours were full of dust. You can see a little bit left in there. Use an air compressor and get that stuff out of there. I recommend a good healthy dose of dielectric grease to keep it good. The other connector that you're gonna need is this black 6-pin right here. You're gonna disconnect those to get power where you need to. And this is all you need to have access to. All right, here it is, everything's connected. All the connectors are unique, meaning that there's only one way to plug the harness in. You'll then tuck these up into this area here, and away you go. These go right to the key switch up on the triple. If you take it off, obviously these will come off the bike. If you leave them on here, and some people do, if they still want to keep the steering lock, I would recommend that you cap these and seal them up real good so that there's no water or dust. All right, so through the magic of TV, we got the triple off. The top triple clamp, that is, of course. You don't need to take off the bottom. Got to take out these two bolts. And as you can see, if you haven't done this before, these are a security feature when the ignition is installed at the factory or through service. They have special bolts that have a piece on it that's missing because when they're torqued down, they snap off. So there's no way to remove this. All right, that's anti-theft. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to slot these screws somehow with a Dremel or a hacksaw blade or something that you can give yourself some access for a big straight-bladed screwdriver to remove the ignition. All right, now the ignition's been removed from the top triple clamp. You're gonna save somewhere in the neighborhood of 1.1 to 1.2 pounds once you factor in the weight of the key, the trim ring, and this bracket. It's up to you if you want to reuse that bracket for some of the cable routing, but it is not required. You can simply tidy up some of those cables with some zip ties, which I'll show you in a second. So save that obviously for the future should you choose to put it on, but this is going to be how it's going to look when it's installed. But that's it. Very straightforward. If you hit this switch, key comes on. Hit the switch again, the bike is off. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a question down in the comment section or shoot us an email. You can obviously get us on our phone as well off the website. So if you have any questions, we're here to help. Until next time, guys, ride safe.